and thank you for tuning in to Skid Row's Racing. On this episode, we're going to go into a couple things. So let's get right into it. Mainly, I don't live near the racetrack anymore. My wife and I made a big move because I got a different job. Because this isn't my main job. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of action on my YouTube channel. So obviously, I'm not making a living off of that. But yeah, got into a different job. We're enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. We're enjoying where we are, all that stuff. And new area is pretty great. This thing's filthy because we just drove it back to the track we moved away from and drifted it. There's a long list of things I was going to do over the winter to it. Didn't do any of those things because we were moving and life just got busy. But gave it a nut and bolt check, made sure everything was good on it, and drifted it really hard. Had a great time. And it was kind of rainy, so there's some mud on it and spots where dust and water left their mark. So that needs to be washed, and still need to do all the other things I wanted to do. And what we're going to do in this video is go to the garages and or shops of a couple of people that we know in the area and see what they're up to with their vehicles. So the first one's going to be our buddy Rio's shop, which is R&B Motors. So in case you don't know of him, look him up. He can get you a good deal on, you know, a nice used car for a good price and all that stuff. And we're going to go see what it's looking like with him and his dad putting an exhaust system on his rear-wheel drive Audi that he drifts. So check that out. And boop. All right, we made it here at the R&B.
We're at R&B Motors.
And
this is Skid Row's Racing.
Rio and Wade.
He's Skid Row's Racing.
Yeah, this guy. Look at that. This thing's exhausted.
It's totally exhausted. We're going to make it better.
That's right.
Making a new exhaust.
Making a whole new one.
You got a custom
All stainless, all
setup here.
Yeah,
Heck yeah.
new aluminum subframe bushings, and we raised the diff.
Yep, yep. So better drive axle angle.
Or better axle angle, worse drive shaft angle. So we'll see how that works.
Yeah, that's got a joint, right? It'll be fine.
It'll be fine.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Fuel.
Heck yeah, I'll have some fuel, thank you. Yeah, look at that. So the rear-wheel drive Audi, it's gonna live more. It's had a few issues, as you can see.
That's the cool part. That's a cool part that Rio made.
Definitely.
Raises the diff raiser.
Yeah.
And also, dig, hole to hole. That's where it started, that's where it is.
Dude, that's custom. I like that.
That was a make it work situation.
That's perfect.
I built the other one all nice and all that, and then I was like, it was about 1:30 in the morning, and I was like, I gotta make the front higher.
And you had to keep at it because even though you have this door here, there was no escape.
You knew that was an escape door?
I don't know how I knew that.
Look how much oil it is. It's a Volkswagen.
Yeah.
It's like a radial airplane engine. It's
through
through
oil.
oil, yeah. Put oil in the bag at the top.
Looks like keeping it tidy in here didn't pan out.
Yeah, we got the exhaust started.
Yeah.
Getting down with the downpipe.
That's right.
He said it won't take us that long to build an exhaust, and we've
Well, we didn't start very early. We've really not worked on it very long yet. This has been just
you
dicking
might have
around
been
thus far.
Lagging.
Turbo lag. It is lagging. Yeah, we started late. We don't care.
It happens. It's Catter Day.
Look at this. This is a special thing that it does.
Ooh, look at that.
I don't think it's supposed to do that when you're driving.
what? It did. So that happened recently.
But you never addressed this before because it never came up.
No, I always just yeah.
Plug two O2 sensors, holes, and make another one.
Oh, nice bung hole.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, did you cut that one off?
I did, but I just still want to use a new one because I still have to do like work to make this one nice.
See.
Like,
Nobody wants a bad looking bung hole.
Yeah, that's true.
yeah. Let's just go get.
The nice
you
thing is
said
it's
you
an
had a new one.
automatic spacer out.
You
know?
said you had a new one, and
I got a new one at AutoZone.
you got a new one, and
Get in the
I want to
zone.
get some new. I want to get some different gloves.
Hopefully the one at Zone is the right size.
Oh, there's always that. Well, we have an option for this.
What size do you think that is?
Bung hole size.
This is a cool. This is a cool vise, man. Check this out. It's a Prentice.
Not an apprentice.
No, it's a Prentice, so it's already been doing its thing. This is awesome. Check this out.
Dude, why didn't you just cut this one?
So,
Why didn't you just cut this one like right there?
yeah, I didn't. So this is cool. This vise will hold tapered things.
Really?
See this, how this back jaw
Yeah.
slides around on a dovetail? It's an arced dovetail.
Well, that's pretty
It's
cool.
just on a pivot. And then,
Yeah.
So when I was making bikes, I could hold on to tapered chain stays and seat stays with it. So you could put a tapered tube in it.
Oh, that's
and it'll
awesome.
Hold on to a tapered.
Yeah.
Or if you have like something with like a 1/2 inch and a 3/4 inch post on it, it'll grab equally for both of those.
That's pretty slick.
So yeah, this is
So
like,
normally I just gouge the hell out of my stuff with my bikes.
yeah, this is a really cool. This is a cool advice. This was my dad's vice, and then he kicked it down to us. Where did I put there it is. So yeah.
That's cool. Got to keep that in the family.
Oh yeah. Pop made these a super long time ago. These guys are super good. These cool Vota half blocks. This is also like a thing that I use when I made bikes. They're the same thing, so they're a single. Like,
that's cool,
single
yeah.
CNC thing, but when you flip them over like this, they engage. And so when you put them in there, you can hold the tube really good with it. And then when
Big tube or little tube.
yeah, and then when you pull that,
Oh, and they magnet to it.
yeah.
Sweet.
This was a company. There's companies like bike frame building companies that make these now. But I got this from a place that did tuba repair, like tuba and other brass instrument
nice.
repair. Vota tools. So
That's
they have
cool.
enough space between them that they can hold the tapered.
Yeah.
Hold the tapered thing.
Well, that was sure a hoot. Well, since we kind of got a taste of what's going on there, let's see where our buddy Justin is at with his vehicle. This is that JZ powered, 2JZ powered E36 that's in another video of mine. And, you know, maybe I'll put the link in there if I can figure out technology. And if not, well, you're just going to have to go and look it up. So, see where he's at with that. He was at the same drift event, having a great time with us. And he had a D-Lam that blew up one of his fenders, and then another one of his fenders, you know, just kind of got in the way of, you know, driving like fun stuff and things, whatever that means. So, yeah, two of his over fenders got screwed up, kind of the catalyst of him making the paint how he really wanted it. So, let's see what that thing's looking like. I think it's going to be looking prime.
There's also a radio charge cooling system as well, and all compacted into the front of the car.
Would you just look at it?
We were now able to see the front of the engine to see if there's any.
Looks a lot different than the last time it was on a virus video.
Yeah.
So you got a lot of Bernie Sanders to do.
A lot of Bernie Sanders.
And then and then it's gonna be a different color. Maybe, or maybe not.
I don't know. I'll probably do the same. We'll see.
We'll see.
We're going OEM BMW.
That's right. Let's show the internet your hoodie here.
The 40s and shorties.
40s and shorties.
Dude, are we gonna take your other fender off too, or are you just gonna round that? You're gonna take this off?
I'm gonna take that off too.
Heck yeah, there it
I
is.
just want to get all the main paint off, and then doors are coming out, rear glass is coming out. I don't know what I'll have to figure something out about the windshield trim. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with that, but I want the windshield trim like to at least be tucked up somehow. I don't think I can just remove it without destroying it, but
I couldn't tell you.
I did watch some video about some dude who put like 1/4-inch rope in there and it spaced it out enough to where he was able to get paint all around the edge. But
Huh.
I'll have to experiment with it and see what's really gonna work. The windshield needs to come out anyway, so I might just pay somebody to remove
I
it.
think we're all good to rebuild this thing.
That would.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just like come take it out and I'll pay you to.
No, they
install it
repair and
later,
replace.
you know?
So I'm sure it's selling, but it needs to be replaced anyways.
Yeah.
With 36.
You should like get full coverage insurance on it just so that just so you can get a new windshield.
They show up and be like, "Are you fucking kidding me?" Like, that's a joke, dude.
And then once you get the new windshield, just switch your policy back.
Right, yeah.
Just take it off. Oh, I sold the car. And then when you put it back on someday, you just go, oh, I bought it back.
Yeah.
Different car, different BMW.
Yeah, you don't have that VIN on your database.
Yeah, I think I'll pay like $28 a month to insure this thing.
So not only have we got to rebuild this
That
car
needs to get
as
reinforced
quickly as
too.
possible, we've also
That's
got
just
to
Offset it already.
No, it's because the fender's missing, and that was actually most of the
So
support
there
for
was
that.
literally no time.
Oh yes, that's not support, and that's why I was like, why is it? Because like your middle thing doesn't fucking fold down no more.
Yeah, there's nothing here. Like I really need to. Build
He really
something
needs to
there.
get to his core.
Yeah.
Now, this
The core needs some support.
That's right. That's right.
Didn't really need. I probably could have saved a little bit more buying stuff.
Just learning how to do stuff while doing stuff.
We've got
Why not?
everything all in one.
Yeah, usually there's exclusively Skid Row's racing playing there.
Heck yeah, that's where it's at. It's pretty entertaining content.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
I reckon. I reckon. It's like that gas can company, huh? Blitz.
It's like the Creek.
The Krieg. It is German.
Old German.
Yep. Brought to you by Old German. Or we wish.
Yeah, we'll take a sponsorship.
Yeah, I would take it. Oh, I gotta get this in here.
Oh, the old vice grip.
The Miami Vice Grip.
Miami Vice.
Yeah, Miami Vice Grip.
Oh.
Yeah, the old farm fab.
In the old zippy tie-A's. Yep, farm fabbed up.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. So as fun as that was, I had some stuff to do, so, you know, kind of had to split. But we'll keep you posted with how that thing comes along. And we'll circle back and see how Rio's exhaust is looking. I think everything's going to be quite exquisite. So, in the meantime, here's a little bit of footage from the last Drift event. And I hope you like it. Well, actually, I don't care if you like it or not, but check it out. And maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't. I don't really care. But thanks for checking it out. And, you know, thanks for watching Skid Row's Racing. And, you know...